Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. By activating Google Assistant on your device, and then it will look cooler. Okay, just follow these steps to do. Before it, you have to make sure that your device is connected with internet or Wi-Fi. Okay, first you can press on home screen button here.
Right.
And then here you can click Get Started. And then turn it on like this. Okay, after that just do the following steps. And then here you can click I agree. Scroll down and then click I agree. Scroll down and then click I agree. Okay, and then click next. Okay, and then Google Assistant feature on your device is active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.